Wow. Wow.
Babe, not too high. He doesn't like it.
What do you think I look like? Babe, babe. Are you okay? Oh my God, baby. Call 911. Look at his face. He needs medical attention, quick. Guys, what's today?
School.
First day of school. So now we're gonna take our little Zoom classes every morning. Yeah. All right? Not you, you're just chilling. Yeah. You excited?
Yeah.
You excited? You excited?
Yeah.
Yummy.
Daddy, I
Oh shoot, I'm pouring too much on yours. I guess.
want to get that sparkle.
Yummy. Would you like a glizzy? It's a hot dog. A glizzy? What? You don't want a hot dog? Since when? Now you have to record yourself like Daddy's doing right now, reading in a storyteller voice.
So you gotta hold your book. Hold your book like this. And you have to read. You have literally one word on your page.
Where's the toilet paper? Babe! Hope this works.
The hardest choices require the strongest wills.
Okay guys, so that was the vlog. If y'all liked it, definitely be sure to give it a like, subscribe, comment, any questions you have. This video is sponsored by the KENMOR brand, just because, you know, my laptop is broken and I'm still making content for y'all because everyone needs an escape. So if, you know, y'all want to help me out in any way possible, I'm not only just talking about donations, I'm saying a simple share, simple like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. A simple stream on Spotify or Apple Music, Google Play, all that really means a lot, really helps a lot. So anyways, this is KENMOR signing off. Have a good day. Peace.